Alright, there she is, finally done. I had a rear tire put on. My brakes were bled. Had a new start button put on. Oil change. She should be ready to go. Looks like I need to go get some gas. Straight to the gas station. This is fun. It's been a while, man. I had a Harley Dyna and I got in a motorcycle accident in 2020. So I haven't really rode daily since 2021. Honestly, since 2020. Oh yeah. I was definitely coming up on a cop there before I turned into the gas station. I don't have my sticker yet. Like I said, I just picked it up from the shop, so. And sadly, it's basically 6 o'clock, so that means I can't get to the DMV until tomorrow. I do have insurance, but if I get pulled over right now, I do not have my sticker or registration yet.